Hello gorgeous people, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a review and some swatches of these Makartt neon gel polishes, and we're also going to be taking a look at the mini lamp with the nail art foil showing you the website and the social media of the Makartt. So you can buy products if you ever decide you want to go onto their website and purchase these products. I also have a promo code, which is Brandy Beauty 1315. So first we're going to take a look at the mini nail lamp with the nail foil, and you also get a top coat, base coat, and the nail foil glue. Alright, so right here I am showing you guys the mini nail lamp. I'm not sure how many watts is in that. I don't have the product in front of me right now, and you also get a cord. Here you see me taking out the polishes, which is the base coat, the top coat, and the glue. So next I'm showing you guys the foils. These foils are gorgeous. These are so gorgeous. They're flowers, floral, I don't know which one you guys want to call them, but they are so gorgeous. Alright, so right here I'm going to be showing you the nails. These nails from Makartt are they are full cover. They're not the half cover. You can use these as press-on nails, or you can use them as nail tips. And you also get 4 sticks of nail glue and a nail file, and also comes with instructions on how to apply the nail tips. Right here I'm just showing you the best sellers on the Makartt website. Once again, if you guys decide you do want to go to the Makartt website, you can use my promo code, which I will link it in the bottom of the description, and I'll also put it on the screen. And these nail tips, they do start from 0 to 9. Alright guys, so in these next clips I will be showing you the AwsmColor neon gel polishes. I will swatch them in on the napkin, and then I will swatch them on swatch sticks. Also, I did do 2 coats. I did the first coat on camera and I did the second coat off the camera. And I just want to say that these gel polishes are gorgeous. They're creamy, they're full cover. You really don't need 2 coats. You can do 1 coat, but they're gorgeous. But I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch, and I hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you guys on my next one. Until then, toodles. You're the kind of guy that I should make a move.